Yeah, so welcome for our today's lesson. In our today's lesson, we are going to cover the Argos and plane figures. And we are going to cover a question on the sum of the interior Argos. Sum of the interior Argos. Sum of the interior Argos. And the question is on our board here. And the question is like this. The interior Argos of an octagon are 2x, half x, x plus 40, 110, 135, 160, 2x plus 10 degrees, and 185. 185. So find the value of x. Find the value of x. So step number one, you need to know what is an octagon. What is an octagon? We start there. An octagon is an 8-sided polygon. 8-sided polygon. So you say n is equal to 8. That's a polygon of 8 sides. That's an octagon. Then the next step, you need to know the formula of finding the sum of the interior Argos, because these are all interior Argos. These are all interior Argos. Are they 8? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 8. Therefore, the number of sides are 8. An 8-sided polygon is called an octagon. So sum of interior Argos. Sum of interior Argos. Law of a polygon. Law of a polygon is given by the formula n minus 2 into bracket 1, 8. N minus 2. Where n minus 2 represents the number of triangles. And one triangle is 180 degrees. So therefore, n minus 2 into bracket 1, 8. So n minus 2 represents the number of triangles. And then the sum of Argos in that one triangle is 180. That's why we are saying n minus 2, bracket 180. So our n is 8. So you say 8 minus 2, bracket 180. So n 8 minus 2, that is 6 times 180. You multiply 6 times 180. In this case, you get 1080 degrees. That is 1080 degrees. So therefore, you need to take that all these Argos, the sum of all these Argos add up to 1080. So you take 2x plus a half x plus x plus 40 plus 110 plus 135 plus 160 plus 2x plus 10 plus 185 is equals to 1080. All those Argos, you add them and equate them to 1080, and then and equate them to 1080. So therefore, when you bring them terms together, add the values of x. You have 2x plus a half x plus x plus another 2x. 2, 2 and a half, 3 and a half plus 2, 5 and a half x. That's 5 and a half x. Then you add 40 plus 110 plus 135 plus 160 plus 10 plus 185. You get this is plus 640 is equals to 1080. Equals to 1080. 1080. Then the next step, take this 640 on this side, you subtract, you get 5 and a half x is equal to 1080 minus 640. Because on this side it was positive, on the other side it becomes negative. So 1080 minus 640. Yeah, that is 440. So 5 and a half x is equal to 440. Equals to 440. So therefore, to find x in this question. So therefore, 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 over 2x is equals to 440. So for you to get x, you are supposed to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2 over 11 times 2 over 11. This cancels this, this cancels this. So our value of x is equals to 44 by 11, that's 4. So get 40 times 2. So 440 divided by 11 is 40 times 2. You get that is the value of x. So the value of x is equals to 80. The value of x is equals to 80 degrees. Equals to 80 degrees. So therefore, so in this case, you just need the knowledge of knowing the number of sides of a polygon. That an octagon is an 8-sided polygon. And then the sum of the interior angles n minus 2 into bracket 180. So that is how you work out that. That's how you work out that. So thank you very much for that lesson.